Hi and Assalamualaikum. This is video presentation for subject AGR 499 Crop Science about light and dark reaction of photosynthesis. My name is Muhammad Zafizah bin Zakaria. This video presentation prepared for Technologist Dr. Siti Khadijah. Without wasting our time, let's get started. So before I jump into our main topic, let me explain first about what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. What is the meaning of word photosynthesis? Photo is a Greek word for light, and synthesis is a Greek word for combine all together. So, how does this process happen? Let's see together. This process occurs in the presence of three things, which is sunlight, water, and the carbon dioxide. Other than that, plants also use water and other nutrients that the plant absorbs from the root to make their own food. We're moving on to the leaf. Leaf contain the tiny pigment called chloroplast. Chloroplast taken the carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight and change them into glucose and also oxygen. From that process, plant used the glucose to make their own food, and the oxygen was given out to the atmosphere. Now, let's focus on our main topic, which is light and dark reaction of photosynthesis. I will start with light reaction. Before we go through more about light reaction, we need to know about photoreceptor first. So, photoreceptor was characterized as the pigment molecules that convert the energy and information contained in light into a usable format for the plant, which is capture the light for use in a physiological function. Not only that, we also have to know about the photosystem. So, what is photosystem? Photosystem consists of a collection of pigment molecules organized around a chlorophyll A reaction center, which absorb light energy and transfer it to chlorophyll A. There is two types of photosystem. The first one is photosystem 2. The reaction center is P680. This is the best absorbing light with a wavelength of 680 nanometers. Next, photosystem 1, which the reaction center is P700. This is also the best at absorbing light with wavelength of 700 nanometers. Now I will show you the difference and similarity between photosystem 2 and photosystem 1. First, both of them have a pigment complex and electron acceptor molecules. Next, photosystem 2 oxidizes water and oxygen, while photosystem 1 associated with an enzyme that reduces NADP+ to NADPH and produce ATP. Next, photosystem 2 has the electron transport system consists of cyclotron complex and transport electron and pump hydrogen ion into the thylakoid space, while photosystem 1 has ATP synthase complex, has an hydrogen ion channel and ATP synthase. Now we will talk about light reaction. Light reaction happen in thylakoid. There is two types of light reaction. The first one is non-cyclic pathway, which is produce ATP and NADPH. The second one is cyclic pathway, which is produce only ATP. Now I will continue with the explanation of non-cyclic pathway. This process happens in two places, which is photosystem 2 and photosystem 1. I will talk about photosystem 2 first. So, the PS2 will capture the light energy and then eject an electron from the reaction center. The electron will move through the electron transfer change to the PS1. The lost electron will be replaced by other electron from splitting of water. Water splitting will increase hydrogen ion concentration in the thylakoid. Hydrogen ion will gradient drivers ATP production. Next is photosystem 1. Photosystem 1 will capture the light energy again to re-energize the electron. Electron and hydrogen are transferred to NADP+ to produce the NADPH. Next is cyclic pathway. This process only happens in photosystem 1. This process starts when the photosystem 1 absorbs the solar energy. When the electron is excited, the electron will travel through the electron transfer change. Because of the movement of the electron, hydrogen ion will bump into the thylakoid. The electron will return to photosystem 1 to produce the ATP, only ATP. Next is dark reaction. In dark reaction, there is one process known as Kelvin-Benson cycle or Kelvin cycle. This process located in stroma and also require ATP and NADPH. Dark reaction occurs at the same time as the light reaction. This is because the process will stop when there is no light because ATP and NADPH cannot be produced. Let me explain about the Kelvin cycle. In Kelvin cycle, there is 3 stages. The first one is carbon fixation, the second one is reduction, and the last one is regeneration. In carbon fixation, the carbon dioxide will enter the stroma, and then the carbon dioxide will combine with RUBP sugar to produce the 3-PGA. Then we move to the next stage, which is reduction. In reduction, the 3-PGA needs energy to become a more functional molecule. So where the energy come? The energy come from the ATP and the NADPH. From that process, we'll produce the G3P. And then we move to the last stage, which is regeneration. In this process, the remaining G3P is not used to make glucose. It will convert back into the RUBP by using ATP. RUBP is formed again and can start the cycle from the beginning. Last but not least, I will tell you about the importance of Kelvin cycle. So the first one is G3P can be converted into many molecules. The second one is the hydrocarbon skeleton of G3P can form fatty acid and glycerol to make plant oil. The second one is glucose phosphate. The third one, fructose, and then starch and cellulose, and the last one is amino acid. I think that's all from me. Thank you and bye-bye.